Hi, Kara.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
Today we're taking another hike. We're having our Rocky Balboa workout through the snow. My cat is screaming.
Ooh, we got our shadows.
We're posing Charlie Angel style. We're going to our favorite part. Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go.
So Kara and I love to come on a walk that takes us to this really pretty park. And in the fall it's beautiful, and in the winter it's just beautiful. This here is a lake. We're on a bridge now. We're gonna just walk along. So we're gonna go to this Japanese part of the park. It's really pretty. Another snow day for us, which means we're not getting any work done.
Yep. No work.
But I think we've come to peace with it.
I have. We're bonding, and that's wonderful.
Yay! Bonding. This is a video of Kara trudging across the lake.
Are you filming?
I'm filming.
Okay. Disappear.
Is it deep?
It's up to it's up to like my mid-thigh.
That's awesome. Did you a snow angel?
Okay. Oh, like right here?
Yeah. Snow angel?
Are you gonna like pull me out?
Yeah. Right there you got fresh snow. Oh!
Okay, wait.
That's so funny.
My leg out of the hole.
Like,
okay.
it like perfectly indented your body.
Okay, ready? Let's see.
Oh. That looks good.
Okay.
It's quality.
Now I gotta like get.
Okay.
How are we gonna get?
Here.
Okay.
Oh, I got. Oh.
Oh, this is gonna be funny. Okay,
1,
ready, set,
2,
go.
3.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Oh, look.
That's a good angel. Good.
I'm so short.
Well, you're definitely not tall.
Yeah. Wow. I feel like a kid made that angel. Oh well.
Oh,
I've
so
got
pretty.
snow all over me.
So what we're standing on right now is actually the lake.
Yeah.
And that normally right there's a fountain.
Oh,
Or like a waterfall.
I got
It's
snow
just
down
crazy
there.
deep, dude. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna just...
Do you want me to,
I don't have any gloves on. Here. It's videoing. I'll have to cut. I don't have any short angel arms.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, hold on. Let me take my glove off and grab your hand. You ready, set?
Oh, I don't want to ruin the
I know.
of my angel.
Dig in your heels. There you
go. Oh, look, baby wings.
I know. That's cool.
Oh, they're cute. Good stuff, man.
That's awesome.
Oh, we're gonna jump into the snow.
Yeah.
You're right.
I told you.
Alright.
But that's okay. You're gonna jump. You're gonna do it. Go super.
What if there's rocks there?
Well, you know, that's why you're jumping and not me. But I'll call 911.
I can't get any leverage.
I know. I think you're gonna. That's awesome.
That is. It's nice and squishy.
That was awesome.
It's better over this way.
Okay.
We'll do it right here.
Okay, do it again. Are you gonna jump on me?
You just have to launch your body. You kind of have to
Oh shoot! I was like, you moved very quickly.
Okay, your turn.
All right, sleep.
What?
Sleep. Just throw your body.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this looks really...
Okay, ready?
don't fall on your hoo-ha. Okay, go.
Dad?
Go.
Go.
Oh. You look at your face.
Okay. That was awesome. Oh my god. I got snow all over. Oh.
Yeah. You got some snot issues as well.
Yeah, thanks. Did you film that?
Yeah.
The snot too?
Well, I hope I got the snot.
Oh, that's fantastic.
All right. I think it's going to be a cold walk home.
Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna freeze.
I'm going to jump. I'm going to take the viewers with me.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. Ready, guys? All right. Come with me. We will jump into the snow. Here we go.
Oh my god.
I'm blind.
Oh, no.
I'm all fogged up. There's a lot of snow. You guys are probably getting nauseous. All right, I'm turning you off.